Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's Mommy Bethu here. Welcome back to my kitchen. So today we are making superfood. I'll be using the red onions, crayfish, oil bean, palm oil, and fluted pumpkin. So I know you are going to enjoy this video. Sit back and enjoy. Ndeba inde wono. Amam na arụ disi unu. Tata anyị na-esi ogede achaha acha. Ogede achaha acha bụ nni dị mma n'ahụ. Maka na onwe ha ọtụtụ ihe na-atọ bịrịbịrị na ya, ọ na-edozi ahụ. Na mbọsị nke taa, anyị ga-esie ya na ụgụ na ụkpaka. Anyị ga-eji ụgụ na ụkpaka wee gwọnyụọ ya anya. So I washed the plantain because I will not be peeling off the coat. I washed it with sponge or brush. You can use either sponge or brush to wash yours. I'm just going to cut it like so. Then the next part of this cooking video is just to put it into the pot. Yes, I'm not peeling off the coat. Ndeba I ga-esi ka nni ndegbo tata. Aga m ewepụ azụ ogede a. Aga m asa ya asagome ya asa. Nga wabisi otu a kịta ka esi awaji. Ghawa ihe n'ite ma sie ya. You can use hot water as I did here, or you can use normal water. So when it has boiled for 10 minutes, I'm going to add salt. But if you're using normal water, when it boils for 15 minutes, you can add your salt. So that's just it. So the plantain has been boiling for 25 minutes and is ready. As you can see, all the coat has busted open. This shows or signifies that your plantain is properly cooked. Ogede aye ego nga agụpụta keke isi ama ogede yele ogbawasigo mbo mboko okuko azụ nya bụ ogede abụwasigo. So I'm just going to remove it from the water and I'm going to peel it. Make sure you make use of water because the plantain is still very hot. So the next process after removing it from the water is to peel off the coat of the plantain, after which we are going to prepare the sauce. So to peel off the coat of the plantain, you require a very cold water where you can dip your hand into because the plantain is very hot. Aya fusigo ogede. Kita anyị ga-ebido ime mmanụ a ga-eji wee gwọ nyabo ogede. So I'm adding the palm oil into a clean pot. This oil does not require to be bleached in any way. So I set my heat on a very low heat. So I'm going to chop the onion, the red onion, using this manual grinder. I'm going to chop the habanero pepper I'll be using. I'm making use of yellow habanero pepper and red habanero pepper. The combination of the both has an awesome flavor. So deby mano adigo n'ọkụ ayada emeke esika bi esika n'ọkụ ọ dị obele ọkụ ịghọtago mma aghanye yabas n'ime mmanụ akịta. So I just added the onions into the palm oil. Remember, the gas should be on a very low heat and the oil should not be bleached, please. So after chopping the pepper, I poured it into the oil. I'm going to allow the both of them to simmer for about a minute before adding crayfish and oil bean. Increase the heat of the gas now. I'll add the crayfish, the oil bean, and the smoked catfish. I'm going to remove the catfish later because I don't want it to scatter. So I just want the catfish to absorb more deliciousness into it. And that's just it. I'm going to mix and stir. I'm going to allow this to cook for about 5 minutes before adding the vegetable. Meanwhile, check for salt and add seasoning cube. So that's just it. I'm going to pour in the unripe plantain, and I'm going to mix everything for 1 minute and cover it, allow it to cook for another 1 minute, then it will be ready. Aganyego m nyebe ogede n'ime akwụkwọ nne na ụkpaka. M ga-agwagharị ya otu nkeji ma kwuchikwa ya otu nkeji ọzọ. Ogede anyị eghe mfọtuo ya. Ogede anyị ego ọ dịgo ka ọ na-adị. Ogede nke a na-abụ ọtọ na ụbụrụ. Ihe ọma amaka. Biko na-emere gị na ezinụlọ gị ụdị ihe dị otu a. Ọ bụghị mgbe niile a na-eri ihe ọtọ biribiri. So our plantain is ready. The superfood is ready. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please try and eat something like this once in a while to help your health, okay? We all know that fluted pumpkin is rich with a lot of nutrients, and the ripe plantain as well, and other ingredients. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to share this video to your loved ones and subscribe to this channel if you're yet to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye. Ngwanunde bye. Ka ọ dị nọ mgbe ọzọ.